I think it is very difficult to make exact company like Alibaba. Again, you can make a company better than Alibaba, but it will be difficult to make exact business model. Nobody believe it. Everybody say Jack Ma is stupid, crazy, doing something that will never make money. So the smart people, rich people, never be our competitors. That give us chance. So finding good partner, find good team, and always focus on the things that you are good at. Focus on the things that you love. And that is what we call a partnership. I give you advice for those young people. If you 20 to 30 years old, please find a good boss, not necessarily a good company. Learn from the boss. Learn how to do it. When you are 30 to 40 years old, try to do something yourself if you really want to try. When you are 40 to 50 years old, do things that you are good at. After 20 years of learning, you should do something you're good at. When you are 50 to 60 years old, spend your time supporting young people. When you are over 60 years old, spend time with your grandchildren. Right? That is normally a lot of people like that. So when you just in the university, don't think about, I want to resign from the school and be another Bill Gates, because Bill Gates left Harvard. There's only one Bill Gates in the world. When you graduate, find a company. Most important, find a good boss that can train you, discipline you, and tell you what is good and right. It's more important than a good company, right? Of course, a good company, a good boss, even better. And then continue your life. Thank you.